Unlock the power of seamless data workflows by connecting your PostgreSQL database directly within N8n for lightning-fast data processing. First, let's open up N8n and create a new workflow. This will be the base for our PostgreSQL integration. Next, search for the PostgreSQL node in the Nodes panel and drag and drop it onto the workflow canvas. This is what we're going to use to connect to the database. Now, configure the PostgreSQL node by filling in the connection details. This includes the host address, port number typically 5432, the database name, your username, and your password. Make sure these are accurate to the database you're connecting to. Here's an example of what those parameters might look like, but remember to use your actual database credentials. You may be prompted to install the Postgres package. Go ahead and do so. After that, test the connection by clicking the test button at the bottom of the node settings. A connection successful message confirms that N8n can communicate with your PostgreSQL database. If the test fails, double-check your connection details, like password or URL. Now that we're connected, let's select an operation, such as execute query. To perform database actions, you can then enter your desired SQL query directly into the node to interact with your data. Write your SQL query. For example, you can retrieve all data from a user's table using a simple select statement. After running the workflow, you'll see the results from the SQL query in the N8n interface, allowing you to analyze and process the data within your automated workflows. You can perform many more operations, but that's the basics of how to connect PostgreSQL in N8n.